Do you want to know how you can access your devices on Telegram? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access your devices on your Telegram account. Go ahead and open Telegram on your phone. Now, click on the menu button on the left hand side and go to Settings. Scroll a bit down and you can see Devices. Tap on it and you can see some of the devices over here. So, if you scroll a bit down, you can see it automatically terminates all sessions if you are inactive for 6 months. If you tap on it, you can see that you can choose between these options. There are 1 week, 3 months, 6 months and a year. So go ahead and choose your choice. And if you scroll a bit up, you can see that you can link your Telegram desktop or web by clicking on link desktop and scanning the QR code. You can also terminate all the other sessions except this one, which is over here. These are your active sessions over here. You can see that if you click on it, you can see that you can accept calls for the device and something like this, and you can click terminate session over here, click terminate again, and the session will be terminated. If you want to terminate all of the other sessions, you can click terminate all other sessions, click terminate again, click OK, and then all of the other sessions will be cleared. So this is how you access your devices on your Telegram account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.